Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last session, we enabled the resource provider for the DMS as well as I checked the resource provider for the database MySQL is already enabled, so you can able to deploy the MySQL in the Azure. So I selected Azure database for the MySQL server, and subscription would be free trial. The resource group would be DMS, and the server name you can define as per requirement. Like I can give an example Azure SQL, and the region I will take in the in the different region, but it's up to you in which region you want to select. I select the central India here, and I will take for the small and the medium size databases, but you can take as per requirement. And the availability zone I just take only one because multi-zone is not required for the demos perspective. And the authentication method I selected the MySQL authentication, so I'm giving the username and the password. If you want to select other method, you can select that. For the demo I'm just selecting the MySQL authentication method. Okay, so you can see all the options I selected here. Yeah, let me go to the networking. So let me enable to access publicly. Okay, private access is not required for you know for my demo perspective. Tagging, we can make it blank, and also as well as the security part also nothing required to change here. Okay, it is not a production environment, right? It is just a demo, right? So I'm just using like whatever in the default one would be. Okay, let me validate and then we can create it. The deployment in the progress, and it will take most probably 3 to 5 minutes to deploy your MySQL server. So once get it enabled, or once the MySQL server in the Azure, like Azure MySQL server once get deployed, so we can try to connect. Okay, let me take a pause here. So once it get up deployed, then we can continue. Still it will take another couple of minutes. Let me refresh it. I don't think it is completed. Just refresh it, make sure to know the status of the deployment. This session is specifically to deploy the Azure MySQL server. Okay. In the next session, we will deploy the data migration service. It's taking a longer time than expected uh, because my internet is slow also from my end. It may be okay. Generally, it takes maximum 3 to 5 minutes to deploy the MySQL server in the Azure environment. The Azure MySQL is already created. It is almost done. Now it is creating the firewall. Azure MySQL server has been deployed. So we'll connect in the next session. Okay, thank you.